So hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a case study on data visualization, how we can use data visualization for healthcare. Now our students are going to discuss a case study, real life case study in which we are going to use data visualization.
Our case study is healthcare data visualization. As per records, an average of 20 to 30 people are visiting healthcare centers per day. The management find it difficult to track the ingoing and outgoing people records. So we have to find a solution for that problem.
So now we are going to identify the core problem. So primary goal is not going well because there is not collecting admission details, transaction details, and discharge details of the patients. And second one is secondary requirements. So secondary requirements are like billing and requirements for the surgeries are not good, and then busiest hours are not taken care, and then third is technical constraints. So nurses, doctors and admins uses different websites like their cards to different.
So what we are going to do?
So we are going to use graph visualization.
So what we are going to use? To track the data of students or find the data of patients or about the surgeries or what?
Like we are just communicating the name of the patient first, and then what is the problem, and their check-in time, check-out time, and the transactions.
So only for specific category of or total or any specifications?
First we will read in total details of patients, and then we will categorizing the diseases or their illness.
So based on the inpatient, outpatient and emergency cases, we are going to segregate. Okay.
As they said, in many hospitals, the doctors and the admissions were struggling to keep the data of the outpatients and emergency. They are struggling with that. So that we came up with an idea. We can represent that in chart like line chart, bar graph, histogram. Like there are many data graph to visualize the data. So that we are here to use a multiple graph now to visualize.
So why you are going to use multiple graph?
Yeah, because since we have outpatients data and emergency, so we can use the multiple graph to visualize that.
So we have total number of frequencies. So total patient is considered as total frequency, and we have a separate OP and
Emergency.
So we are using
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, for now, we'll draw a prototype for this. So, we'll consider they have like 5 days. We'll use Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And as Shamla said, we'll
So we are
divide
going
them
to use
into.
only this for the working days.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest 2 days?
Ma'am, rest 2 days, like it is just a prototype. Ma'am. We'll develop
We
it.
can develop it.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll use outpatient and emergency, as she said. So as she said like 20 to 30 people per day. So we'll consider 25 people per day. So in Monday for like outpatient is 10 means here emergency will be 15. And if emergency is 10 here and here will be 15. And if here is 8, then here will be 17. And if outpatient like so on, we'll plot the graph according to this. 12, 13 and 13. Okay, we'll draw and multiple bar graph for this right now. So over here we'll write the days, like Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and all. Wednesday, Thursday, and we have till Friday. So our intervals, our frequencies are like up to 15, like up to 20. So we'll write like 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20. So then, so first we'll plot for Monday 10 and 15 first. So Monday 10, and then we have 15 also. So we have to plot 2 graphs for this. So we'll use this, and then we have to plot it for 15. And then for Tuesday we have 15 and 10, and we'll do like 15 and 10. And for Wednesday we have 8 and 17. So 8 here and 17 over there. And Thursday we have 12 and 13, which is near to each other. So And then for Friday we have 13 and 12, which is again. Yeah, so by using like multiple bar graph as you see here, we can easily like tell the difference between the outpatient, the emergency, inpatient and all the prioritized cases. We can use multiple bar graphs to plot these session. So I like to conclude. So it is actually, we can use many types of graphs in this situation. In this case we have used multiple bar graph because we have taken two, like outpatient and emergency. So it has two data values. So we are using multiple bar graph here. Thank
So
you.
what do we have in percentage form? Like what graph we can use?
Now we will use pie chart.
In what case we can use a frequency polygon?
Frequency polygon. Frequency polygon is used when histogram intervals, continue
So
intervals.